Hello, here's Lutz. This is Manu from Befaco, and we are here in Dutch Modular Festival 2019. And we are so happy to announce the soon release of two new modules. It's going to be the 24th of October. We are going to have our new voltage control MIDI controller and the new version of the instrument interface that we have here and we are going to be seeing. As a brief introduction, the instrument interface is an input module with phantom power, so you can power your condenser microphones, impedance of the input. Then you have a envelope follower and trigger extractor, so you can take some information from your signal and your modulations. We will go to it, and then this is we already present this, but now it's ready to ship. It's the voltage control MIDI controller, 8 fader, 8 buttons, fully mappable MIDI controller with CV and gate inputs, so we can CV control our MIDI gear. We truly believe that we can swap the paradigm from a MIDI-centric system, which has been going on for since ever, to a CV-centric system where fairly advanced eurorack rig, like now we can enjoy in 2019 with all these beautiful manufacturers. So our modular rig can be the master of our musical setup. We are gonna go. So I have here a small patch running. So here I'm making a simple random sequence with a key call. So I'm just triggering key call and sending some CVs to it to do this line, let's call it. And then with the same CV, I'm getting here the VCMC, and we are going to be controlling this Yamaha QY10, which is a general MIDI, lovely but old synthesizer. So we are converting here. We have channel 8 configured to do CV and gate to MIDI notes. So then if we do like this, so it's just triggering the Yamaha QY10. Then the QY10 is coming back to the instrument interface, and yeah, with this we are modulating the chopping kinky to wavefold it. It's just to do something. So as you can see here, we have this simple configuration, but for example in the fader, now we can configure, for example, program change. And then if we move the fader, we will be changing the sound of the thingy. As you can see, at this point it dies because it has, I think it's 20 banks, so we can go to the fader out range and tell it, instead of giving us 127, we can tell it to give us only 20. So see, oh look, 34. So see, we have a little bit more control on our fader.
Larger range.
Yeah. So this is fun, but then it will be even more fun if we, for example, map this to a CV control. So if we go to channel 7, here we have an input from Rampage. So I control CV function program change. So right now the sound of the programs are changed by the Rampage. Again, we are having the same issue, so we change the range, out range, and we tell it to go instead. No, not clipping. Here, and then we change the range. And now like this, now we have like a very crazy line with the different note sounds, making it go crazy. Now this is just an LFO, but you can imagine all the possibilities you can have. So yes, these are the two new modules that are coming soon. I say the 24th of October will be out there, and yeah, it will be available as a DIY, as assembled. Most likely the PCBs will be there. The code is gonna be uploaded to GitHub and open for everyone to check. And yeah, well, thank you very much for your time, and see you soon.